Good morning, peeps. Come with me as I'm going to tour a new construction for one of my clients moving here from Northern Virginia. So they want to be here in North Charlotte, wanted to be off I-85. So we found the perfect home for them here in Concord. So let me flip the camera around and show you guys real quick. So this is exit 52 off I-85 going to Kannapolis, Concord. And this community, brand new community by My Home, is literally 5 miles from the highway. Let's go check out this property. I'll show you guys the model home, give you an idea, give you a sneak peek of the property, the building, and tell me what you think about this community. And also, I'm gonna tell you why we picked this community. I mean, so many good reasons why I picked this community. So stay tuned. Let me get to the community real quick and let's take a look at this property. That's the Concord Regional Airport that we are passing. This Concord Regional Airport, right off the exit. So as you guys just saw, right off the highway, we just passed the Concord Regional Airport. It's right literally 3 miles. Now we're about 4 miles away from the community, the Concord Regional. And I'm making a turn on my way to the community now. So here are the things to consider about the community, right? You are within 6 miles of I-85. It is a very private community. Only 86 homes to be built in this community. The builder has 9 different floor plans that you can choose from. So you have many choices coming into this community. And on top of it all, the proximity to everything. So you are within distance to Concord, you are in Kannapolis. So property taxes, you're in Cabarrus County. Uptown Charlotte is about 35 minutes from here. As I mentioned earlier, Concord Regional Airport is 5 minutes down the street. You are 5 to 10 minutes to major shopping centers by Concord Mills and some of those areas. Moss Creek, a very well subdivision that is established in Concord, is right down the street. So there's so many things I can go on, but just check out the community. Tell me what you think, and if you have any more questions, give me a call, 704-904-5152. This family, we just went under contract 2 weeks ago. The home is set to be completed in March. As I mentioned, I'll show you the model home. We'll go to a model home, then we'll tour the property itself for them. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. We'll love the opportunity to help. And here we are. So now, before we come back and tour this model home, this is the model home. Let's go take a quick look at the community. Very new community, as you all can tell. A lot of these homes are still in construction. So here's my client's home. It's still in roughing. We'll come back and take a quick look, but as you all can tell, everything is still building. And back there are some new, a lot of lots that they're building back there. And here we are back at the model home. Let's go take a look. All right. And here we are. We're checking out the Fenmore today. It is almost 3,000 square foot, 5 bedroom, 4 bath. And let's go check it out. Welcome home. As you first walk in, you are greeted with the nice dining area. This is a step going upstairs. Entering hallway. And here we are, very open. Yeah, check out the kitchen first. Very large island. Have your double oven here. A little picture friendly. Yeah. The pantry in the back. Very private. Here's the entrance. This is where we came in. Your dining area. So you can walk back through here. You can go back out through here. Quartz countertop. You got a gas cook stove, 5 burner. Very nice backsplash. And here we go to the living area. You got a fireplace. The attention to detail is beautiful in these houses. And you go in back here. This door takes you to the garage. Come in here, you got a full bath. It's a half bath, but it's a good enough size to make it a full bath. You do have a bedroom over here on the main level. The bathroom, garage, and then you come back out to the living area. Now let's go check out the upstairs. Oh wow, look at that. Immediate left is the primary bedroom. Very large open loft area. All the bedroom, bath are on this level. So and now let's start with this bedroom first. Bedroom number 1 on the 2nd floor. Closet. Your laundry room right next to it. Full bath. Shower. Bedroom 2. Door to the bathroom. Bedroom 3. Has its own bathroom. double door closet. And now on to best for last, the primary bedroom. Ready? Wow, check this out. Very nice primary bedroom. Have a sitting area here. Have a little small nook over here where the prep area, office, however you want it to. But just look at it. And the primary bath. So you're here with the heat and Hudson. Look at the shower. Go from here all the way here. Let me just go in and show you guys a little bit. Toilet room. Come in and you have your closet. Very large closet. So the beautiful thing about this builder, they have 9 different floor plans in this community that they are building. I have a sheet of all the inventory, so reach out to me. They have a special going on where you can get a rate less than 5%. So reach out to me and I'll give you all the detail you need to know. But to take you guys now and go show you my client's house, we'll do another quick tour. It's in framing, so you won't see much, but there is a lot going on in this community. You wanted to get in before they're sold out. So reach out to me. They have a lot going on. They have some great incentive going on that you wanted to take advantage of. So looking forward to talking to you guys. Call me 704-904-5152 and now let's go and tour out the community and my client's house. So here we are at the client's house. It's in framing, so there's not much to see other than just see what it looks like. So this is what it looked like before. Tall ceiling too, by the way. It's beautified. The tub is already installed. Shower, going to the attic.